Hi there, this is the third tutorial in a series teaching you how to use Signals&Sorcery, a generative audio platform. So in the first two tutorials, we added a contract for funk, a loop in E minor. We added two synths, a kick and a bass line, and we added a few drum samples. Let's quickly give that a listen. Not bad, but what I want to show you is you can change the synths to use your own custom synths. So I'm going to go ahead and play this again. And I'm going to use Serum. That's all I want to demonstrate today, is that if you're not happy with the defaults that ship with the platform, no problem. You can use any audio unit or VST3 plugin. And next we're going to look at generating audio, AI audio.